Hi, welcome to the Language of Data Toolkit. Are you ready to learn about statistics? Let's jump right in. The first type is quantitative data. Quantitative data is the data of numbers or measurements. For example, height, weight, or scores could be categorized as quantitative data. The second type is qualitative data. This type is the data of names or labels that don't have counts or measurements. This could be gender or ethnicity. Whenever conducting a study or reading research, you must understand the population and sample of the study. The population is the collection of all individuals to be studied. For example, a researcher is doing a study to see if online training for nurses is more effective than in-person training at Hospital A. So the population for the study would be all the nurses working in Hospital A. On the other hand, a sample is just a sub-collection of members from the population. From the previous example, the researcher is working with the emergency department, so the sample would be nurses working in the ED. It is important to remember that the sample must be representative of the population so that we can learn useful information from the result. A parameter is a number describing a characteristic of the population. So using the previous example, the average score of nurses from Hospital A for online training was 70.6, while the score for in-person training was 88.7. Both scores in this example are parameters because they describe the population. In contrast, a statistic is a number describing a characteristic of the sample. So with the same example, the average score of nurses in the ED for online training was 80.7, while the in-person training score was 84.3. Both scores in this example are statistics because they describe the sample. This concludes the first video. In this video, we learned about quantitative and qualitative data, population, sample, parameter, and statistic. Thanks for listening. Bye.